on, Lily?
Lily, I'm filming a video for you.
I'm a bit scared, Dad. I've never cycled by myself before. What if I fall?
It's okay to be a little scared. I'm right here beside you. If you fall, I'll help you.
Just go slowly, Lily. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to try your best.
Okay. I'll try. But everyone stay near me.
That's it. Slowly.
Keep going, Lily. You're doing very well.
Look at you. You did it.
Oh. My leg! Are you okay?
Let me see.
Lily, are you okay?
Let me see. Don't move. Your leg doesn't look good. We have to go to the hospital right away.
I can't move.
It's okay. I'm right here. Try to stay awake, Lily.
Ethan, drive carefully but hurry up.
I know, Emma. We're almost there.
Lily, talk to me. I'm okay. Don't worry, everyone. It was just an accident.
Everything will be fine, sweetheart.
Right, Lily. We're just gonna clean this up gently now.
Yeah.
What happened to the little girl? She fell while learning to ride a bike.
She fell quite hard and her leg hurts a lot.
All right. We will take care of her. Everyone, please stay calm.
Why is it so quiet in here? What is that machine?
This is a special camera. It helps us see inside your leg.
Does it hurt?
It won't hurt. You just need to lie still for a moment.
When I move, my leg hurts a lot. I know. Try a little harder, sweetheart.
Lily, you're doing great. Now lie very still for a few seconds.
It's done. You were very brave.
Is it really done?
Lily's leg is broken, but it's not too serious.
Will she be okay, Doctor?
Yes, she will be fine. The bone will heal well. What does she need to do today?
We will put a cast on her leg. She might need to stay in the hospital for a day or two.
How long will it take for her to recover?
Usually about 4 to 6 weeks. During that time, she must not walk or stand on the injured leg.
Yes, we understand.
I feel like a failure. I couldn't even ride a bike.
No, you're not a failure. You tried, and that's what matters.
We're not proud of you because you're good at riding a bike. We're proud of you for being brave enough to try.
I'm not even sure I would have dared to try like you did.
Just rest and keep that smile on your face.
Look what I brought you.
What is it, Mom?
Your favorite. I think it will help you feel better.
Thank you, Mom. See? Even in the hospital, there are fun things. I feel better now. Not just my leg, but in my heart, too.
When you're better, shall we try psych?
Yes. But Dad must stay very close to me.
Definitely. I promise. Good morning, Lily. I'm here to check on you. You're doing much better today.
That's so good to hear.
If you keep resting.
Really?
Thank you so much, Doctor.
It's so good to be home. Everything is quiet and safe.
Do you feel better?
Yes. At home, I feel less pain. If you need anything, just call me. I want to help you more. I don't want to bother anyone. I want to do it by myself. Lily, stop. Don't go by yourself. I'm here to help you. I'm sorry. I don't want to be a burden. You are not a burden. You are my sister. Thank you, Tom.
All right, Lily. When you're ready, let's begin.
The whole family.
All right, push up slowly. Use your organizational leg. I've got you.
Slowly.
One step at a time.
I'm right here. Don't go too far. I'm not going anywhere. This time, I'll stay close.
Very good. Keep your balance.
You're doing great. Don't rush.
Just feel every step, sweetheart.
Look. You're better today than yesterday.
Just like this, you'll be running around the house soon.
I did it.
Family always stays together.
Thank you, everyone, for being with me. Today I learned that courage doesn't mean not being afraid.